blue color, blue color. Yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Red color, red color. Green color, green color. Yellow color, yellow color. Black color, black color. Kids now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use blue color, blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids now draw C. C for cat, C for car. Kids again use blue color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E, and use yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. G. G for God, G for glass. Kids now draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H, and use red color, red color. Kids again use red color and draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids now draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K. K for kite, K for king. Kids now draw L. L for lion. The alphabets of L, and use green color, green color. Kids again use green color and draw M. M for moon. Kids now draw N. N for nest, N for nose, and use green color, green color. Kids now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus. The alphabets of O, and use yellow color, yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Kids now draw Q. Q for queen. Kids again use yellow color and draw R. R for rose, R for rice. Kids now draw S. S for sun, S for snake, and use black color, black color. T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids again use black color and draw U. U for umbrella. Kids now draw V. V for van, V for vanilla. The alphabets are V. And use blue color, blue color. W, W for wolf. Kids again use blue color and draw X, X for X-ray. Y, Y for yak. Kids night Z, Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Blue color, blue color. Yellow color, yellow color. Red color, red color. Yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Black color, black color. Green color, green color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1 and use blue color. O and E1. T W O 2. Kids again use blue color and draw 3. T H R W 3. F O U R 4. Kids again use blue color and draw 5. F I B E 5. It's night 6. The numbers of 6 and use yellow color. Yellow color. S I X 6. S E V E and 7. It's again use yellow color and draw 8. E I G H T 8. N I N E 9. Kids night 10. T E and 10. Kids night 11. The numbers of 11 and use red color. Red color. Kids again use red color and draw 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. Kids night 14. The numbers of 14 and use red color. Red color. Kids again use red color and draw 15. The numbers of 15. Kids night 16. The numbers of 16 and use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. 17. The numbers of 17. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 18. The numbers of 18. 19. The numbers of 19. Kids again use yellow color and draw 20. The numbers of 20. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Blue color, yellow color, red color, green color, yellow ochre color, black color. Kids now coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids first draw A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw B for ball, B for bat. Kids now draw C for cat, C for car. Kids now draw D for dog, D for doll, and use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw F, E for egg, E for elephant. Kids again use yellow color and draw F for fish, F for fan. Kids now draw G for God, G for glass, and use red color. Kids again use red color and draw H for hand, H for helicopter. Kids now draw I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids now draw J for joker, J for jackfruit, and use green color. K for kite, K for king. Kids again use green color and draw L for lion. Kids now draw M for moon, the alphabets of M, and use yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw N for nose, N for nest. Kids now draw O for orange, O for octopus. Kids now draw P for parrot, P for penguin, and use black color. Q for queen. Kids now draw R for rose, R for rice, and use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw S for sun. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids now draw U for umbrella, the alphabets of U, and use yellow color. yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw V. V for van. V for vanilla. W. W for wolf. Kids now draw X. X for X-ray. The alphabets of X. And use red color. Red color. Kids again use red color and draw Y. Y for yak. Kids again use red color and draw Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Kids now draw numbers. And first we draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use green color. O N E 1. 2. T W O 2. Kids again use green color and draw 3. T H R W 3. Kids now draw 4. The numbers of 4. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. F O U R 4. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 5. The numbers of 5. F I V E 5. Kids now draw 6. The numbers of 6. S I X 6. Kids now draw 7. The numbers of 7. And use black color. Black color. S E V E N 7. 8. E I G H T 8. 9. N I N E 9. Kids again use black color and draw 10. T E N 10. The numbers of 10. Kids today draw A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.